Yo, YouTube, what's going on? Sunday, April 23rd, me and my boy Sean Cuss here will be in Atlanta teaching you guys a master class of how to do fades, textures, scissor work, styling, and enhancement techniques at Ace of Fades Barbershop. April 24th, the next day, I'll be in Houston by myself doing the same exact thing. Book them tickets now. The link is in the description below. See you guys there. Alright, y'all. We got new packages. I opened them both already. This one I wanted to open up, the flexes right here. I switched my cover on my, as you guys can see, serious. Damn, beautiful. So we finna get busy today. I'm finna use one of them, so let me know what y'all think about these at the end of the video. Yo, so let's go ahead, let's hop into this video. I want to start off by picking this client's hair all the way out, extended as far as possible, because as you can tell, this client's hair is super matted. The client told me that he had his hair scissored into a style where his sides were shorter originally than his top, and I told him, like, if you don't want to do a fade all the way around, but you want to get some evenness to it, then just bring the top down to the sides or whatever, still keep it in the fro, and then be able to, taper it up and give it some splash. So that's what we did right now. Essentially, I just lifted all of the hair up, and then I'm going through it now to get it even. So what I'm focused on right now is literally just doing a freehand technique that's allowing me to bring majority of this weight and the density down to that one, desired length, and then I can get into a lot of my clipper work. So right now, I'm just doing the heavy duty work of removing some bulk and, getting some evenness to it, resetting the clock, and then we lock it back in. Focus, we through and through, we rocking and rolling. Shout out to my dog Takeoff Beats for this beat right here. He decided to send me a pack. I thought this beat was hard, so I'm like, let me go ahead and throw bro in a rotation. Any producers out there, that's trying to get their music heard, or get their beats heard or whatever, just hit me up. If it's some fire, like, you got a good chance of going to the video. So I threw a 1.5 guard. On my instincts, I put my master blade on there, and I just created some area, cleared it out so I could create a nice panel, then going in behind it now, using my flexes, and I'm giving myself a ball line towards the bottom of that, and then I'm gonna clear this area out too. Now, as everybody can see, I'm just clearing out this panel area, giving myself some room to set up a nice taper. 1.5 against the grain on the top of the beard. I'm noticing at the top of the beard is pretty much, in a pocket for me to just knock out the fade right now. So I can see myself doing it up top and at the bottom. So I did it about 1/2 inch up top in the actual side tape area, and gave myself a whole inch on the beard. Now completely open on the beard, and I'm giving myself about 1/2 inch, as you guys can see. And doing the same thing up top. Just trying to make my job a little bit easier. I could go one piece at one piece, but at times I just be bored with barbering, so I just be trying to switch up my fade technique. So I dropped them halfway here, and I'm cleaning up, majority of this beard area. And I'm just staying focused on what I could do. Not completely closed, just using the corner 2 teeth of my blade. The master blade on the instinct make the clipper 1,000,000 times better, man. 1,000,000 times better. My 1/16 guard completely open, and I'm just basically trying to just clear some of this panel. I dropped it halfway here, and just using a couple teeth on my blade and just trying to continuously fade it all the way through. Staying focused, we locked in, everything coming together really well. Now I'm on top with it, and just making sure that I'm able to create a nice gradient look and create some fade to this area. I drop them halfway with no guard on them. some consistency. As you guys can see, this hair is extra light on its own anyway. So we're just trying to stay focused. I'm using my comb to really shift the hair so I can see where the hair is trying to lay. It's clean. Go in with a shaver now towards the bottom of that, and with the shaver I'm just trying to, bald out this area and really give it some more, some more look to it. And then using my trimmers, go in with the corner of 2 teeth, and I'm hitting the bottom of the taper. Hit a couple of these hairs behind the ear. Now to do the same steps in the back, I want to go in and only give myself a nice clean ball line in the back. I'm going up about a 1/2 inch. If you guys can really tell, look how not dense this hair is back here. It's super, super, super light. So I'm going in with my 1.5 guard completely closed. And when you see when I do something open with my 1.5 guard in the back, it looked like I just had my clippers open. Look how low the hair is off of 1.5. So I know right off the rip, I'm not going lower than a 1.5, really, just with my guard. So I'm gonna stay focused on 1.5 and no guard. And we're gonna create, some consistency between this, because not everybody got the most densest hair patterns all throughout their hair. Some of their hair patterns or hair follicles in certain areas are thinner than others. So with that being said, me being an educator, I gotta educate you guys and show you guys you can't use every step that I use on the side of the head. So as you guys can see now I'm completely open, giving myself about a 1/2 inch, brushing one, fade one. I'm staying focused, I'm locked all the way in, and I'm just trying to bring some gradiency to this, to this taper area without pushing it too high, because as you guys can see, it's already super low with a 1.5 guard. So if I go with a 1/16 or a 1/8, it's gonna be too low. So because them guards are smaller than my 1.5 guard. So I'm trying to finesse and create a nice transition with this less dense hair in the back. And as you guys can see, I'm creating a pattern, I'm creating a flow, I'm creating a transition. It's happening. It's happening. It's beautiful. And we just focus, man. We focus, we focus, we focus. Slowly but surely, feeding through single teeth, creating a gradient effect. You guys can see that the taper starting to look good, and I haven't switched out one guard. It's either that 1.5 guard or it's that no guard at the bottom, and I'm not changing it. And as you guys can see, we got a clean taper. So 1.5 guard, we go in, tilt it, and we using the hilt of our blade to really knock the hair down some. Going completely balded out right here on the sides, and we just gonna bring everything together. 1.5 guard, about a 1/2 inch. Now open with the grain, just trying to bring all the consistency together. Completely open right here, just focus. And y'all know when I get to this side, you just really repeating some of the same steps that you did on the other side. But to all my people out there, man, that want to do something new with y'all life, that want to find new hobbies and things of that nature, put yourself in that position. There's one thing that I'm learning, especially with doing my music, is people who naturally support you won't support you, not all the time, not when you switch it up. Because a lot of times you got people who will only see one thing for you. And with that being said, you gotta show them. We showed them with barbering, we showed them with college and engineering. I showed them with so many different things. There's no way I can't show you with music. You get what I mean? I don't want people out there too scared to do other hobbies in their lifetime just because people don't know them for that. So make them know you for it. And that's what I'm focused on, man. I'm so focused. I've been in the lab, I've been in the shop, I've been in the studio. I just been rocking out, man. Just trying to get everything right and staying focused. If you got hobbies out there, man, chase them. Chase them. Don't let the perception of other people who know you for one thing change or dictate how you feel about doing something. So I want to go in, using my flexes. As you guys see me hitting this neckline, flexes fresh out the box. They smacking. I didn't even modify them. These are fresh out the box. Fresh out the box, they hitting beautifully. I love the power of them. They feel amazing. And as you guys can see, I got a clean neckline. Now I'm doing the back of the beard line. And this is where I seen maybe I should have adjusted them, but I want to give you guys a first impression out the box, because I like my clippers completely zeroed out. Like, some people think zero gapping is just like, the guide blade is still a tad bit higher than the cutting blade. No, zero gapping is literally zeroed out. Well, both of your blades match, but I have a light enough hand and a light enough touch that completely negates scratching people. And that's just what happened when you create, this oneness with your trimmer, and that's what I be doing. So I ain't really set them. I really feel like the trimmers could have did a little bit better, but fresh out the box impressions for a new clipper I never felt before, amazing. Body style, amazing. Power, how it's generated through this clipper, amazing. The blade, clean, but I want to do a couple things. I want to modify a blade, so y'all know I'm gonna hit up my girl V. I'm gonna get a modified blade and I'm gonna throw them on here. I'm gonna give y'all more videos. I plant myself in the middle, I start working myself all the way to the left, and we focus, y'all. We bringing this thing together. Let's go ahead, let's turn this man into somebody, and we just staying focused, hitting this side. Now I'm hitting the vertical bar, and remember, these hairs are super thin. Look how thin the hairs is around the lineup. But we gotta make something out of nothing, and that's what Beam do. We make stuff out of nothing. When you come to my channel, you come here to see symmetricalness. You come here to see, the sharpest lineups on the neck. Like, you come here to see that in every aspect, in every form, because that's what we do, and that's how we cemented our name in the game. Is we bring a different level of consistency on the lineup here. Replant in the middle, work myself to the right, doing a vertical bar here, and the hair is super light here as well. It's not that the hair is trimmed down to a 1.5. He naturally doesn't have dense hair around his edge up and in the back of his hair. But at the end of the day, me being Beam, we gotta make it happen. So I'm gonna go in using my Sean Cuts hair color enhancement card, assisting it with my Beam Team cordless compression. My color no drip. This color does not drip. This color does not come off of water hit it, because it's waterproof. It's against water. You have to have something like an antiseptic or alcohol that can remove this color. So if water hit it, the color won't remove. He could go to sleep. It won't be on this pillow, things of that nature. But anybody who buys 245 products understand and know that Beam created this product for waterproof solutions to stop and negate all of the hate that came with color in the industry. And there was a point in time when people was using color, and that stuff was, all on the people pillow or coming off when water hit them. Now with my color, that's what our engineers did. We put them in a lab, they got it done, and now we got waterproof color. Now I'm going in with my 245 precision pack pencils. I'm giving it some concealed look, some highlighted look, and we giving it some energy. We taking it to another level. This is where that pop, flam, flash come from. We stay focused, we get there at the end of the day. That's what it's about. It's about always achieving and getting there at the end of the day. And when it come to my channel, y'all know I'ma show out on these lineups. Y'all know I'ma bring y'all some consistency. Y'all know it's gonna be that. So I go in with my Babless trimmer, because fresh out the box, those trimmers wasn't like fully charged, so I had to go back to my Babless trimmers. I'm like, wow, I guess I didn't estimate that they wouldn't have been charged all the way up. Normally I take a clip out the box, I could use it at least for a whole haircut, but it wasn't ready. So I go in, tapping this line, spreading this, color across the skin, getting some consistency. We bringing it together, as you guys can see, man. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Yeah, it's coming out clean. Just light taps. Light taps gonna bring it all the way together for me. Now I wanna go in, lean the client back, angle that razor to 45-degree angle, stretch the skin, bring everything to its highest points. And y'all already know who I am and what I do when it come to these beards. We about consistency, we about fullness, and we about creating a clean lineup. So y'all know, first time we go through something, we rough draft it, we loop it. Now let's go back through it, let's bring it all the way together, because practice make perfect. And where I come from, cleanliness is next to godliness. You can't do one thing one time. It's like showering your body one time and getting out the shower and saying you clean. It don't work like that. You gotta shower yourself multiple times in that shower, to be clean. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm not looping anything one time. I'm looping it multiple times. I'm creating consistency, and I'm creating a high level of sharpness throughout this client. And that's what I do. So my class, April 23rd in Atlanta, me and Sean gonna be crazy in that class. If you in Atlanta, pull up to that class. We need models. I got a couple model submissions right now. We need models for the Atlanta class, so go ahead and submit yourself. But the day after that, April 24th, I will be in Houston. All of my people that's in Houston, stand up. I haven't got one submission from Houston yet. Like, it's crazy. Every time I post on my thing, people from Houston say, come to Houston, come to Houston. The engagement's so low, like, is y'all gonna pop up or y'all gonna pull up? What y'all gonna do? Like, I'm coming to both the cities. I'm in Atlanta. Atlanta love me. Atlanta my second home. They show love every time I'm out there. So if you in the Atlanta area, April 23rd, come out to the class. Come out to the class. If you in Houston, April 24th, come to the class. Like, it's crazy you build this much influence and people be acting crazy. Like, if you fool with me, pull up to the class, man. Come shake my hand, come meet me in person. Come see me do one of these dope transformations in person. And come show some love and some support. That's all that it's about, man. Like I said, big class, April 23rd in Atlanta, me and Sean, we doing it together. And then another big class, April 24th in Houston by myself. I'll be teaching you guys the 3-level enhancement techniques and taking you guys services to the next level while increasing the revenue behind the chair. So I'll see you guys there, April 23rd in Atlanta, and April 24th in Houston. Now we just shaping the beer and bringing it together and just getting some more consistency, throughout this whole haircut. Clean. And my client like being like natural under the neck, so he didn't want me to line under his neck at all. He bump up down there, so he just like, yeah, don't even touch under the neck, just shape it. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna hit him with a spray bottle, hit him with some water. We'll hit him with some water, and then we gonna go in, we gonna sponge it, give it some curls, give it some pop, give it some fluff. We didn't shape this fro for it to be a shape fro. We did this thing for it to be one of them newer type fros. You wanna give it that, that nappy / curly look, but you also want the tape and stuff to pop off. Look at that, bro. Tape in the back clean, even though it gave us a lot of problems, man. That's what I'm talking about right here. This what I'm talking about. This how you do it. Clean taper on all ends. Symmetrical lineup, beard looking heavy, head curly. My boy in the game for the wet and tomorrow, man. Shout out to everybody in the comment section. Hashtag TBT, hashtag Glacier Gang, hashtag Glass. Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Beam. It's 2023. We steady chasing them dreams. We staying focused. We staying in our element, and we staying true to who we are. Without further ado, I appreciate you guys to the fullest. Love, peace, and blessings, and may God bless. Let's check out what the client thinks.
I feel it. Alright, YouTube, we just knocked that up for my boy. He got a wedding tomorrow. He liked his haircut. You guys can see his expression. The flex is crazy. Power crazy. Blade is clean. I just like the consistency of the clipper. I can't give you a full thorough review, but for first day, first impression, they did their thing. I'm happy, so I'm finna go ahead. I'm out of here. That's it for my video.